Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 17, multiplying by one-digit numbers. So here I have a problem. A ticket to the show costs $12. How much would 4 tickets cost? So I can find this by either adding or by multiplying. So if I add, I would do 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. There we go. Got ahead of myself. Okay, and then I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. $48. Okay, the second way would be by multiplying. Okay, and I would do that by doing 12 times 4. So that's $12 and I want to get 4 tickets. When I multiply, I first multiply to figure out how many ones I have. So I would do 4 times 2. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. Then I'll multiply 4 times 1 to find how many tens I have. And 4 times 1 is 4. So my answer is $48. All right, well, let's say that ticket costs $24. Let's change my problem. Let's say this costs $24. Okay, so again, I could add it all up, or I can multiply, which will take less time. So I've got $24 times 4. So again, we start with the ones first, and I do 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And so I'm going to carry over the 110, and I put down the 6 ones. Okay, then I multiply 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, but then I need to add the 110 I carried over. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So my answer is $96. Okay, so you don't add the one you carry over until after you multiply. All right, so on this problem, 6 different times next month, a salesperson must make a 325-mile round trip. How many total miles will the salesperson travel next month? Well, it's 6 times, and he goes 325 miles each time. So I'm going to do 325 miles times 6. I wouldn't want to add this one. That would take a really long time. So first we multiply the ones. Okay. So 5 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. So I write the 0 below the line and the 3 above the next column, the tens column. Now I multiply 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12 tens. Then I'm going to add that 3 tens to it. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So I'm going to put the 5 down and carry the 1 over. Now I'm going to do 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Then I add the 1 I carried, so 18 plus 1 is 19. So my answer is 1,950 miles. All right, so this one says use dimes and pennies to illustrate 3 times 14 cents. So to do that, I would need, for 14 cents, I would need 1 dime and 3 pennies. So it's 1 dime and 4 pennies. I think I said that wrong. Okay, so since I need 3 times that, that means I'm going to need 3 dimes. Okay, and then I'll need 3 sets of the 4 pennies. So we'll need 4 pennies here. And we'll need 4 pennies down here. All right. So we can see that I have a total of 3 dimes and 12 pennies. Since 12 pennies is more than a dime, I can try trade 10 pennies for a dime. So I take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I trade it for 1 more dime. Okay, so now I have 4 dimes and 2 pennies. So 3 times 14 cents equals 42 cents. There we go, 42 cents. I can do that just by multiplying. So here, pens cost 25 cents each. What's the cost of 6 pens? So I'm going to take the 25 cents and multiply it by 6 pens. Okay. Now when I multiply a whole number by a decimal, we're going to multiply pretty much the same way. Okay, so we're going to do 6 times 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. I carry my 3. Then I do 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Carry my 5. And then I do 6 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Okay. So then I'm going to put my decimal point 2 places from the right-hand side, because I need it to have pennies and dimes. So my decimal point goes here, and then my dollar sign. So 25 cents times 6 equals $1.50. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.